Trying to figure out what dumpster rental size to select for your project can be confusing. Let me try to help you out. We carry 4 different dumpster sizes in most of our locations: mini bin, medium, large, and real big boy, extra large. The mini bins are great for small cleanup projects, maybe a powder room renovation or small deck disposal. Our medium dumpsters are perfect for a complete kitchen renovation or a one-car garage cleanout. The large dumpsters are perfect for mid-size renovation projects, such as kitchen or bathroom reno, or a 2-car garage cleanout. Lastly, our extra large dumpster is perfect for commercial office cleanouts or full house renovation projects. In fact, this dumpster has the same capacity as filling 10 pickup truckloads. At Junkit, we've helped hundreds of thousands of people like you get rid of junk fast, easy, and at an affordable rate. Construction waste, furniture, appliances, you name it, we take it. Unless it's hazardous. Take the first step to being junk-free now. Simply enter your address on our website to get started. It takes seconds to book. It's that easy. Order your Junkit dumpster today.